is the box the queen came out of, and this is actual honeybee wax that they built onto it. And that's probably some sort of maybe pollen. I'm not sure. The other thing we need to do is we need to change out their sugar water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quick.
You're just cleaning out the area now?
Yeah.
Is that, what is that?
Probably just dried sugar or something.
Okay.
Not sure. All right, then we just flip it. Slide it in. Watch out, little bees.
No, don't blow.
Hmm.
We learned that lesson last weekend when we had our friend here.
All right. I think that's it. So it's hot in these suits. Anyhow, this is the cork that the queen bee was supposed to break out of. The bees were supposed to eat through that and get her out. They almost got through there, but not quite. So I let her loose today, and it's been a week and a day. We put her in there last Sunday. Today's Monday, so it's been 8 days, and they didn't eat through it all. Got some lazy bees, but she's out.